take this time out to greet you in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I. Jah Rastafari, Empress Melanine, crown same time one day. And I say bless up all Italians in the house. You know, respect all to all African people in the building. You know what I mean? And this is a prophecy fulfilled because a lot of great prophets and a lot of great men of valor and spirituality foresaw and foretold these things, that all nation of people shall come together under one roof and enjoy one music for one cause. How you feeling? Say iron! I mean, so no matter where you come from on this planet, you know, we have to remember that we are one people. Yeah, every time. Yeah. Them hearts want to come from many, many times. Not from around here. Where I come from, everyone I've been, yeah. Where I come from, everyone I've been, yeah. Come on, baby, wrap up in a nappy. We never ever like to see you in a nappy. So me go married to the money and I cannot be. Come believe that every black man cannot be. Because we love to hear that they love it. Me and them not clear. To kill up on it. Come on, wanna house with me when we say it. Me and talk about love to chill it. I'm in the room about Jack. When it comes to money, I say I'm sure about that. If I JSE, I say I know about that. But make it in a life, I'm not sure about that. Poverty be cursing, but if we can't kill I have been nursing. So me and go hustle, try and chop a notion. I've been saying I mean I come on live. One go tell Wall Street that I'm coming soon. Dreaming about money all afternoon because making money is always on my mind. And if me and you go down the way, when I waste a lot now. From the highest then that's the plan because making money is always on my mind. Then from this the mother and the video this your father. But I like to build a house in this Ababa. Drive round in a depot like Africa and touch me on to where I get to you. Listen to this your house. Create jobs and about this slavery. Buy some big ships for your Spanish Navy. Set sail to Egypt, my goals realistic. Now listen to my song and second it's crazy. No, how about the new cursing? Pocket weak until me have been nursing. So me a go hustle, try and chop a notion. Me a be sweet and me a come life. One go tell Wall Street that I'm coming soon. Dreaming about money all afternoon because making money is always on my mind. And if me a fit, go down my waist for a piece of land. From the highest step, that's the plan because making money is always on my mind. I said, where I come from, everyone, I said, where I come from, and the rest is gone, and everyone,
Thank you.